Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Today, I am so excited to share with you guys an updated tour of our master bathroom, as well as how I put some organizational tools in place that I hauled in a recent video. And if you haven't seen that video, I will be sure to link that down below. But before we get into tour, I have some extremely exciting news, and I would like to start off by thanking Catherine from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. She recommended me for the Birmingham Home Show that will be held in Birmingham, Alabama on February 15th and 16th, and I will be speaking alongside some amazing celebrities such as Brett Tudor from the TLC show Trading Spaces, and I will be speaking on Friday at 11 o'clock a.m. and Saturday at 12 noon. So I wanted to make that announcement because several of you guys have been asking me to do some type of meetup, and I thought that would be the perfect opportunity to do that, and we could all meet up around some things that we love, which is beautifying our homes. And I just really want to thank Catherine for that opportunity, because it really takes a very secure individual, a very loving and mature individual to recommend you for something like this, because it's certainly something she could have, because she was not available to do it herself, she definitely could have not made that recommendation. So that really means a lot to me, and I feel like that's what sisterhood on YouTube and beyond YouTube should really be about. It should be about uplifting and celebrating one another, regardless if it benefits you or not. So that is so huge of you, Catherine. I really appreciate it, and my prayer for you is that God blesses you 100-fold for opening this door for me, or leading them, through this door. So thank you again so much for your beautiful letter and all that you did in order to help make this happen for me. God bless you, girl. Love you. Okay, so moving on, you guys know that I often do like a prayer at the first of every month, and I wanted to remind you guys, the first of every month I will do a prayer and declaration time. So we're going to call it a power hour with Mel, or motivational moments with Mel. You guys let me know down in the comments what you like below. So the comments below, let me know which title you like, power hour with Mel or motivational moments with Mel. So you let me know by voting down below. So we're going to do that for the month of February. We're going to do it all year long, the first of every month at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time, and I will go live here on YouTube. And speaking of that, I wanted to just thank you all and congratulate you all. We have reached 100K, and we're definitely going to celebrate big time in Birmingham. So Rachel's going to come and bring some celebratory treats and desserts, and we're going to really enjoy ourselves. So I'm really excited about that as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I just never imagined or envisioned 100,000 people being interested in what I do and the content that I create. So you guys, that is such a blessing for me. And finally, if you guys are subscribed to my channel, but I'm not popping up, or you're not getting notifications for new videos, please go and make sure that your subscription is still there. And if not, resubscribe, and then be sure to turn on your notification bell so that you're made aware of any future videos that I create here on YouTube, create and upload here on YouTube. And I think the last thing is, I just noticed that I'm not wearing my wedding ring, but all is well with Robert and I. It's a good reason for me not having it on, and you will probably pick up on it in the video. It's just something that I forgot to do. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to leave a comment and let me know again what name you like best for our motivational times together, and let me know your favorite aspect of our master bathroom. So when you first enter into our master bathroom, you see a garden tub to your right, and then directly in front of you is the mirror, and above that I have a chandelier. I just always wanted a chandelier above the tub area. To me, I just feel like it is so romantic and so over the top, and my friend actually gave it to me. We actually switched out. We bartered some items, but I absolutely love it. I did have it painted to give it more of an antique finish, and I added some more finials on it, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. And then right below that, we have a privacy window. I love it because it lets in a lot of beautiful sunlight. And then right to the left side of the window is a basket of towels with our initials monogrammed on the towels. And then we have a bath tray, some candles, and a beautiful painting right above the garden bathtub. So I purchased this artwork that was of a chandelier. I got it at Kirkland's. It was really inexpensive, and I loved it because it definitely agreed with the chandelier that was above our bathtub area. And then I also love the fact that it encompassed my wall colors in terms of the paint, but it also brought in the hues of blue that I just felt like, was a perfect touch of an additional pop of color. And of course, I put the blue candlesticks in the candelabras, and I got those candles from Hobby Lobby. The candle sticks actually came from a boutique furniture store. The bathtub tray was actually made for me by a friend. She had it made for me, and she had it water treated, and it was a slab of wood with two handles. I just absolutely love it. It's great for like reading. I have a couple of like restoration magazines there. You can read books. You can put like your drink there, your phone. I mean, it is so super duper duper convenient. So in the back of the tub area, I have a basket of towels that are monogrammed. Those towels are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they were on clearance. Over to the left of that is a small little bling tray I picked up from Ross, and along with some silver containers that I got at Hobby Lobby. They contain all of the bath salts and bath body wash and bubble bath and all those wonderful things. And then I got this gorgeous piece from TJ Maxx. It was on clearance for $23. I absolutely love it. It originally retails for around $300, and I love to store my wedding rings in this piece. And oh gosh, it is also a music box. So I just love the way that it is really is lined and padded, and it just keeps everything so like concealed, and then you can also listen to the music. On to our vanity. I absolutely love this area. If you guys saw the before of our bathroom, you know that it was just a standard mirror, and we did not change the mirror out. We just actually added the mirror trimming onto it, and I'm telling you guys, it was so worth the investment. And then instead of just having like the pumpkins that I normally have there for fall, I put a ball and some balls from Christmas there, and then I added the little finials or little crystal pieces to match the chandelier above the lighting. These two pieces actually were not purchased together, but I got those little magnetic jewelry hooks from Hobby Lobby to create that look. Now here's a closer look at the bowl. I got it from Kirkland's, and again I stuck with that bling and crystal to bring that glamorous look. And then all of the balls that are inside of the bowl are actually Christmas ornaments from Pier 1. I absolutely love that clean clean, glamorous feel, and the champagne color is just a perfect combination for the gray and champagne tone paint that I have, the metallic paint that I have in the bathroom. If you guys remember, I got these bling knobs from Amazon. I think it was Amazon or maybe Overstock. If I can find that link, I will link it down below. But here are the organizational pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. The first one I just put like toothpaste and things like that. The second one I put just feminine products. And the little 4-drawer organizer or 4-square organizer, whatever you want to call that, 4 compartments, I put makeup. And then in the bigger one I put just my hair products, and then behind that I had extra makeup bags in the back. And then behind the other one I put like lotions and mouthwashes and all those body lotions and things that you need for, you know, kind of grooming yourself. In the middle drawer I have just extra makeup bags and jewelry. And then in the second drawer I have things that we, you know, backup of things that we use every day, such as deodorant and different essential oils and body oils. Also the dental floss and chapstick and hydrating sheet mask, and then leather cleaner for my bag. So we have that as well. And then in the top drawer I used Dollar Tree organization, and all these pieces came from the Dollar Tree, and they just house the things that we use every day. On my husband's side of the vanity, I did it very similar. He just kind of has like all of his lotions and facial products in one basket. He absolutely loves cologne, so all of his colognes are in the bigger one, and it's kind of all covered up. I do love the fact that it's concealed, and then combs and brushes and things like that are in the baskets behind. We also have an accent chest in our bathroom because there is no linen closet, and in that we keep all of our additional hand towels and face towels and body towels, and I just keep those washed up, and I like to kind of fold those really pretty so it always looks like it's a display whenever you are opening that accent chest. And I'm going to back up and show you guys what it looks like. We also have a lamp there and just a small little display on there as well. And so finally, we are going to move over to the potty area. I know the last time I shared this, I got a lot of slack from YouTube trolls, and they did not like the photos above the toilet. But, you know, I love it there. It's my area. It's my home, and you can do whatever you want to do in your home. So I thought the wedding photos were the perfect addition. I love the bling frames, and I just thought they really graced that wall really, really well. So let's take one final look at our master bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the updates, the minor updates that I did, along with the organizational systems that I have in our master bathroom. I really love the way that everything is functioning and looking right now, and I'm really inspired to move on to some other areas in our home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!